Hi everyone. Last lecture you will see about analytical bodies in that government analyst. Government analyst is the officer are appointed by central or state government. You see about qualification of government analyst. Person having qualification for appointment as a government analyst is a allopathic drug. Having a degree in medicine, Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani system and not less than 3 years postgraduate experience in the analysis of drug in a laboratory under control of a government analyst. Duties of government analyst: the first, the government analyst shall cause to be analyzed or test such a sample or drug and cosmetic as may be sent to him by inspector. A government analyst shall from time to time forward report to the government giving the result of a analytical work and research with a view to their publication. Now you see about executive bodies in that licensing authority and controlling authority and drug inspector. Last lecture you see about licensing authority and controlling authority. Licensing authority, in that you see about qualification for licensing authority and duties of licensing authority. In that qualification, a person having graduate in pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry or in a medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in Indian by law. Also experience in manufacture or testing of a drug, a minimum period of 5 years, provide that the requirement as the academic qualification and shall not apply those inspector. Then duties of licensing authority. First or main duties, that is to inspect all establishment licensed for the sale or distribution within the area assigned to him. You see about the controlling authority. Also see the qualification of controlling authority. Duties as per same of licensing authority. In that qualification, graduate in pharmacy, pharmaceutical chemistry or medicine within specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in Indian by law. Also experience in manufacturer or testing of a drug or the enforcement of a provision of the act for the minimum period of 5 years. Now, today, main part, that is a drug inspector. Drug or Food Inspector Administration Maharashtra state in the prime organization of a consumer protection. It has a dedicated professional working to protect, promote and enhance the health of people. It is a trust agency to enforce the Food or Drug Safety Standards Act 2006. Now, Drug and Cosmetic Act fairly uphold safety standards and protect the consumer. A commissioner or a drug inspector is the head of a administration and drug control laboratory. FDA is having headquarter in Mumbai. An officer at the division and district places. The divisional officer are the headed by a joint commissioner and district officer are headed by the assistant commissioner. Now, qualification for appointment as a drug inspector. First, a person having qualification for appointment as a drug inspector as a government analysis for allopathic drug, or having a degree in Ayurveda, Siddha or Unani system and not less than 3 years postgraduate experience in the analysis of a drug in a laboratory under control of government analyst, chemical examiner or head of institution specially approved for this purpose. These are the qualification for appointment as a drug inspector. Then powers of a drug inspector, in that first inspect and second take a sample of any drug or cosmetic. Inspect any premise wherein any drug or cosmetic is being a manufactured. First power to inspect any premise where any drug or cosmetic is being manufactured. Second, any premise wherein any drug or cosmetic is being sold or stocked or exhibited to offer for sale or distribution. These are the inspect power. Then second, take a sample of any drug or cosmetics which is being manufactured or being sold or in stock or exhibit or offer for sale or is being distributed. Now, from any person who is in course of conveying delivery or preparing to deliver such a drug or cosmetic to a purchaser. These are the powers for a drug inspector. First, inspect, and second, take a sample of any drug or cosmetic. Then, duties of drug inspector. First, inspection of premises license for sale, and second, inspection of manufactured drug. In that first inspection of a premise license for sale, inspect NLT, New Living Transition. Twice in years, all establishment licensed for sale of a drug within the area assigned to him and to satisfy himself that the condition of license are being observed. Then, procure and send for a test or analysis if has been reason to think that his drug and sold is a contravention of provision of this act and rule, to investigate any complaint made to him in writing to institute procedure in respect to the branches of this act, then to maintain all records of inspection made and action taken by him, including taking a sample of seizure or stocks, and to submit copies of such a record to the controlling authority. Then, to make an inquiry, a sand inspection, as may be necessary to detect a sale of a drug in contravention to the Act. When so authorized by state government to obtain import package which has been reason to suspend to the content drug those are import is prohibited. These are the duties in inspection of premise license for a sale. Then a second, inspection of manufacturer drug. In that, inspect NLT twice in year all premise license for the sale manufacture of a drug within the area allowed to him and satisfy himself that the condition of license and provisional of this act and rule are observed. Then to send a controlling authority after his inspection a detailed report indicating condition of a license and provision of this act and rule which are the being observed and which has been to be observed. Then to take a sample of a drug a manufacturer or premise and send them for the test or analysis, to institute an precaution in a respect of branches of this act and rule. These are the duties in of the inspector. Now this is for today's lecture. Remaining part you will see in next lecture. Today you will see about drug inspector, who is the drug inspector appointed by central government and state government. Qualification, in that qualification, person having qualification for appointment as a drug inspector for allopathic drug. Then having a degree in Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani system and not less than 3 years experience in postgraduate experience in the analysis of drug and laboratory under control of government analyst, chemical examiner, head of institute specially approved for this purpose. Also you will see the powers of drug inspector. In that, inspect the any premise where any drug or cosmetic is being manufactured, any premise where any drug or cosmetic is being sold, stock or exhibit offer for a sale or distribution. Then take a sample of a drug and cosmetic which being a manufacturer or being sold or stock or exhibit or offer for sale or being distributed from any person who is in the course of conveying delivery or preparing to deliver such a drug or cosmetic to a purchaser. You see about duties of drug inspector. In that, inspection of premise license for sale and inspection of a manufacturing of a drug in various area or division or district, the inspector are appointed. In Satara district, Arun Godse is the drug inspector. In Pune area, Sachin Kamble is the drug inspector. These are these for drug inspector under the executive bodies. This for today's lecture. Thank you.